Hi everyone, in this step-by-step tutorial I will show you how to add volume discounts to your product page on Wix. Volume discounts is one of the most effective strategies to sell more. Let's check the demo. So on our product page we have a widget where our customers can choose to buy one product for standard price or two products with 10% off. We have also a beautiful banner which indicates that this option is most popular. So obviously it motivates customers to purchase more, and you get more money and more sales. And for example, we also offer the discount 20% if customers buy 3 and more items. And you can also offer some benefits like free shipping, and you also can indicate it with a banner. Great news that we can add this with no code, just using the app from Wix app market. So for example, you choose to buy 2 items, press add to cart, and here we see that offer was automatically applied, and we have discount. Then we can go to the checkout process, and voila, we motivated customers to buy more products. Before I will show you step by step how to add it to your store, let me say a few words about volume discount strategy. So as you saw, it's a powerful pricing strategy that encourages customers to purchase more by offering a discount based on the quantity they buy. This type of offers rewards customers to purchasing in bulk, and is commonly used by online store to boost sales, increase average order value, and move larger quantities of inventory. This strategy can be applied to specific products, categories, or the entire store. See this video till the end, and I will share the link to the all strategies of discounts for your Wix store, which is really useful and helpful. Okay, now we need to add the app. So go to Wix app market, find Fab Bundle Volume Discounts app, buy Fab apps, press add to site. Achieve all the steps of the installation. It may take some time, so please be patient to wait when you will redirect to the product page and widget will be installed. So once it will be done, you will see this preview of the widget. So it's visible only for you. And let's go to the dashboard of the app. When you choose the widget, you will see the dashboard button. You can just wait some time. You can press open dashboard, and you will go directly to your dashboard. You can also open the app from your main Wix dashboard from tab apps and find their Fab bundles. Great, so let's create our first offer by pressing add offer button. Now we are inside the settings. On the right side you see the preview of the widget. It's important to see how it will look finally on your store, because it's just a preview. Anyway, it gives us the idea how it looks. On the left, let's choose the name of our offer. If you will have multiple offers, make sure you choose the name that will be clear for you to understand which offer you use. We choose volume discounts name. This name will be visible only for you. Then we can choose to apply this offer to all our products, to specific products, or to the specific categories. In our case, let's choose a specific product. Cosmetic bottle. Okay, offer settings, offer header title. By default, we can use buy more and save. It's most popular option. You can also add here some information like this offer ends till the end of the day, or some other kinds of text. So just be creative and use what works for you. We have different options widget layouts. I recommend to use the most popular default one, but you can also use horizontal style minimalistic option without the radio buttons. We use the first one. And now we will set up our offer settings. Okay, so our first offer is just default one. So the idea is that user can buy just one product with regular price, for example, $100. So here is a number of products. One, default price, we have no discount. We can choose some other text like buy one bottle. So we don't need to change here something, and we are go to the option number 2. Here we need to choose the number of products. We will use 2 products, but in your case you can choose, maybe you want to sell like 3 products, then 6, and etc. Price. Here we will use percent off and 10%. So by 2 you save the 10%. We indicate additionally this information. Add main badge. Yes, we want to have a main badge. It helps to pay attention of customers to this option. At secondary page. For example, if you have free shipping or some other benefits, you can press add secondary page and add information about free shipping or other information. Select option by default. You can select this option by default or choose by default one. So first option, so your customers will need to select another option. I may say that users like to click something, so it's okay to choose first option by default, and your customers can do it themselves. It's not a problem, or you can choose from the start. Okay, option 3. Here we will propose 3 products with a larger percent off. We'll give, for example, 20% off. Let's add main page and communicate that this option has a most value. Okay, and also free shipping. So let's add secondary page. You can add more offers, you can delete offers, so the app is really flexible and awesome. Just use it for your specific needs. But I give you the general idea, which is effective and works great. We have other options like we can use multiple variants for each item. For example, if you sell t-shirts and they have different colors, sizes, so users will have the possibility to set up each option in your bundle. But you can also turn off this if your Wix theme supports this functionality, and you can use it if in case, for example, if you sell just like simple products like a cosmetic bottle. Okay, you can also show prices per item. So if you use default settings, here we will have the final sum for 2 items. But if I choose show prices per item, we will show the price for each item. Add to cart button settings. So it depends on you use Wix Editor or Wix Studio. If you use Wix Editor and your theme support functionality, all support functionality of the app, you will have, like in this case, default Wix button. But in Wix Studio, it's not possible to have such similar functionality at this moment, so the widget will have its own button, and the standard buttons are below. So I think you got the idea. So if you use Wix Editor, you just can skip the step, but if you use Wix Studio, you can choose your own text for the button. And general settings, here you can set up the colors of buttons, texts, sizes, corner radius, so a lot of options to match your brand. For example, if you want to make these small banners green, you can find the appropriate field and change it to the green color. Okay, so it was really easy. Now let's activate the offer. To do this, just press save and activate button. Offer saved, view in store. Okay, so our offer was saved. We can go to the dashboard. We see that our offer was created. Above we will see the statistics of our offers, and let's go check our offer on the live site. Awesome, we have the widget with functionality to add more items with discounts. Our standard price of this cosmetic bottle is $60. So I see that if I will buy 2 bottles, I will have discount, and 3 bottle much bigger discount, 20%. I can get it. I can add it to the cart. So the price for the bottle will be $48 and the full price will be $144. Awesome. That is what we need. So thank you for watching. I will also add the link to the guide how to create different pricing strategies, not only volume discounts. And see you in our new tutorials. Bye bye.